Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide subscriber accounts on YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide subscriber accounts on YouTube, so all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your YouTube studio, and from your YouTube studio you need to simply go to your settings. Once you're in your settings as well, you can simply scroll down below and find the option called channel. Once you're in your channel, you need to simply tap on the advanced setting if it is available. So if it's not, then you cannot simply do it. If you have this option on your YouTube studio, then you can simply tap on it and view the subscribers only option. So if you don't find this option on your YouTube studio, then you can simply know that this advanced option is not currently activated, and you cannot simply hide your subscriber account on YouTube this way. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.